cancer. The word can stop your world.
Am I going to see my children again? Those are the things I thought about it.
Bonnie Adario, a mom of 3 and oil industry executive, was on top of the world when she got her diagnosis 17 years ago.
Your life is really changed forever.
Stage 3 lung cancer.
It was a death sentence. It's like, no, I'm not finished yet. I can't not make it.
I will fight.
Bonnie decided to channel her fear and anger into a new life mission, build an army to change the prognosis for patients like her.
I was inspired to start my own foundation, primarily because the survival rate for lung cancer has stayed at a fairly dismal % for 40 years.
$70 million and 3 foundations later, her team is producing their own groundbreaking research and creating families of support around the world.
Do not be ashamed of your lung cancer.
And now we have survivors. This room is filled with them.
It makes you want to fight that much harder.
Patients alike, and we believe there's an answer for everyone.
Bonnie believes it all starts with hope.
Not going to stop until the survival rate for lung cancer is up there with breast, colon, and prostate.
This is Bonnie's amazing story. And so many other warriors are on their own crusade of hope, using cancer to build something better.
I need the support, but I want to be able to give the support too.
Be part of their amazing journeys. Hope is Here, a new series from South Florida PBS and the Health Channel.